I began my career in funeral service. I'm a second-generation funeral director. My father was licensed for over 68 years. I'm one of 7 children. Out of the 7, 2 of us have decided to pursue careers in funeral service, my older brother and then myself. Currently, in the last 4 years, my wife and I have purchased our own funeral home. And we now have our own business in a little village called Cornwall-on-Hudson, New York. And we're enjoying our new experience. It's day-to-day, hands-on, little time off, but very rewarding knowing that we're serving the families that we're being able to serve and being a part of a community and growing with them and taking hopefully the business to new levels. My father was one that always used to emphasize to me to remember to take care of families. It wasn't all about the financial end of the business. It was more about taking care of families through the arrangement process, the directing of the funeral, the preparation of the remains. And I admired my dad a lot for that. He was a great influence on me. My experience with NYSFDA has been great because I've met many wonderful funeral directors and been able to listen to different aspects in different parts of their careers that I've been able to bring into mine and take a little bit from each one and mold into being a good funeral director. So I would say certainly my dad, but then the opportunity to be around some great people at NYSFDA to learn from them and to experience different things. My wife and I are both involved in the food bank of the Hudson Valley, the honor flight for our veterans. My wife is also involved in the local hospital auxiliary. So we're into giving back to the community and doing a lot. We certainly like to be a presence to everybody, not just at the funeral home. I'm very proud of the fact of being involved in NYSFDA and all that it stands for and all that we have done. I think our association by far has offered member services and opportunities to funeral directors throughout the state. It's been a great experience, and I love every minute of being involved in NYSFDA.